In this lecture, we will discuss about basics of network time protocol. Now, let us understand what is a network time protocol. Network time protocol is used to synchronize the clocks of the computers on a given network. It works by allowing one or more time servers to provide time information to all the computers on a given network. NTP is designed to be highly accurate and can synchronize clocks to within milliseconds of each other. So next question is, which UDP port is a default port for NTP? Your answer should be 123. You may like to remember this as 1230 time for network time protocol 1230, that is 1, 2, 3. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to access the full CEH course, please do check the link available at the description.